I'll show you how you can start using the Fidelity cash management account. This is an alternative to traditional banking that can pay you more, right? If you want to open a cash management account, you can see you can go to this link up here. You can pause the video and copy it to your browser. But of course, the first way we can start using it is of course to open an account. Now on opening account, it'll load up here. Now pick if you're already a Fidelity customer, yes or no. If no, click no. If yes, then yes. But if no, you will have to confirm your identity and employment information. After the account was open, you'll create a username and password, and then you can finally begin the process of transferring money into your account. I'm going to show you as far as I go. For example, here, if we go on next and we go on load, now you want to pick either just for me or share it. I'll just pick just for me. Now let's continue on. Now this is as far as I can take you. Now you can see first off, we'll have to enter in our full name, my middle name, last name, your social security number, date of birth, country of citizenship, mobile number, email, and of course where you live, your address line, your city, your state, your zip code. But as you can see, from here and on out, the directions are pretty clear, so I'm pretty sure you won't need my help for this. But just go to this website, click on sign up, either if you already have a Fidelity account or not. If you don't, sign up. If you do, then just log back in. And then after that, by clicking on that button, you will be able to start using the Fidelity cash management account. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.